Micron just reported record results. EPS came in at $25.11 against estimates of $20.28, a massive beat. The stock is up over 15% after hours right now, erasing most of Tuesday's 13% crash. We ran the FSR. Here's what the data shows in real time. This swings the story completely from yesterday. Micron had its worst day in over a year on sector-wide AI memory fears. Today, the actual earnings number silenced that concern. Record revenue, a beat that blew past estimates. Bank of America had already raised their target to $1,500 yesterday, betting on exactly this kind of result. Other chip stocks are reportedly rising broadly on Micron's number tonight, too. 1 month of hourly data, FSR score 84%, rolling FSR at 95%. Prices range between $860 and $1,200 over the past month. Closed regular hours today at $10.48. Then after hours trading on the earnings beat pushed it up to $1,200. That's a move of over 15% in after hours alone. The 1 month average sits at $10.05. Prices now well above that again. Tuesday's crash and tonight's spike are opposite ends of the same volatility. The 84% FSR on this 1 month window with 95% rolling shows that even with these violent swings, the structure underneath has remained relatively coherent. The stock moves hard in both directions, but it moves with pattern. One Barron's headline called this the Micron paradox, asking whether a 10x earnings jump is enough to prevent a post-print sell-off. Tonight's after-hours action says no sell-off yet. The Analyst average target was $10.2292. The stock is now trading above that in after hours. We had the pre-earnings video up before today's call. Link is in the description. Full tool at predictability-api.com. Breakdowns happen all the time. Thanks for stopping by. We'll catch you in the next one.